Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ledger Nano S. Resetting your device is a crucial step that completely erases all private keys and configurations stored on it. This action is often necessary if you've forgotten your PIN code or if you plan to sell or give away your device. It's important to remember that your cryptocurrency assets are never actually stored on the device itself. They reside securely on the blockchain, accessible only with your recovery phrase. Before you proceed with any reset, it is absolutely essential to have your 24-word recovery phrase securely written down and readily accessible. This phrase is the sole key to restoring access to all your crypto assets after a reset. Without it, your funds will be permanently inaccessible. If you have any doubts about your phrase, perform a test recovery on a different device or a temporary setup to verify its accuracy before initiating the reset process. Performing the reset on your Ledger Nano S is straightforward. The simplest method is to intentionally enter an incorrect PIN code 3 times in a row. After the third incorrect entry, your device will automatically initiate the reset process, displaying a message like "Device will be reset." To confirm this action and proceed, you will then need to press both buttons on your Ledger Nano S simultaneously when prompted. This action finalizes the complete erasure of your device's data. Once your Ledger Nano S has been successfully reset, you will need to restore it to regain access to your funds. On the device, select the option Restore from Recovery Phrase. You will then carefully enter your 24-word recovery phrase, one word at a time, using the device's buttons. After successfully entering your phrase, you will be prompted to set a brand new PIN code. Finally, reinstall your desired cryptocurrency applications to manage your assets once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.